This was our first annual car show. We're trying to kick it off with a bang. I want to thank my chairman, Brandon Romaine, Colin Ebert, Krista Zerheide, Steve Sirik, Joey Corrado, Tina Stevens, and everybody else that kind of helped out today. Without them, it wouldn't have gotten off the ground. There was a lot of work that got done behind the scenes by Brandon, running around all over the place. So we're now at the point where we're going to be announcing trophies, and I'm going to turn it over to the chairman of the PBA Car Show, which is Brandon Romaine.
Thank you for showing up, everybody. I'm a little sick right now, so you probably can't understand me, but great turnout. I'm surprised. 2 rain dates, and here we are with probably over 75, 80 cars. We got Lambos, McLarens, you name it, everything's here. So I really appreciate the support. But right now we're going to show off for trophies. So for oldest category is number 11, Mike Conley, 1928 model. Mike, where you at? Sir, come right back. We gotta take a picture with you. For a warrant poster. Alright, for the category of truck, for 3rd place is number 14, Leon Mencher, 89 Jeep YJ. Alright guys, for 2nd place, number 10, Robert, 70 Chevy C10. Congrats, Robert. You don't look too happy. Alright guys, 1st place for truck, number 54, John Seen, Chevy C10. Hurry up, John.
Johnny!
Hurry up, I'll take the trophy. Now, if you won a trophy, please stand off to the side. At the end, we'll take a group photo with everyone who won. Thank you. All right, 3rd place for best foreign car, Duran Zoda with the Lamborghini Aventador. 2nd place, number 57, Colin Ibert with the Nissan 240 SX. Purple car to your right. First place, number 29, Joe Katzog with a TR6.
Wow.
White car to your left. My left.
Joey!
All right, 3rd place, muscle car, number 18, Jay Morgello, 81 Malibu. Second place, number 5, I'm gonna butcher this name, Mike Kalavicki, I think, 82 Corvette. How do you say your last name, Mike? Kovalecki.
Good for you.
And this should be of no surprise. 1st place muscle car, number 36, Matt Russo, 67 Mustang. All right, People's Choice, number 20, by Ray Libertas and 55 T-Bird. For the big trophy over here. Best in show, number 44, John Feige. It's number 66, Chevy Corvette. Now, if you haven't won anything, you still have 2 gift cards to Portobello's. So, Freddie, if you could pull a name out of the hat.
Out of the box?
It's a hat.
Box? It's a box.
It identifies as a hat.
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna head out.
Yeah, it's a little HR on that one.
That guy already won a trophy, so I don't get 2 prizes. Will Scherer, number 13. Will, anybody? Will?
It's my husband.
Are you sure that's your wife? Dan Commune, number 15. You have won a $25 gift card to Portobello's.
But you left. You left.
Left?
You left.
Still, I didn't get anything.
Technical difficulties. Number 48, Tom DeLallo.
Did he really? He left. Pull another one. I want to go to Portobello.
So I want to thank everybody for coming out. This was 5 months in the 5 months process. It was only supposed to be September 23rd. It was all going to take off. This is just our first one, so next year we're going to have more categories, hopefully a lot more cars, and warmer weather. I just want to thank our sponsors, Cali Reflexes for tornado potatoes, Amore, can't read over here, Jesus, DeMarco's 100%, they were here from the beginning. I also want to thank Sam's Grill for sponsoring us, K Orthopedics, Goals Chiropractor, Total Tire Service, West Milford Tire Service. Appreciate this. It's Amore Artesian Cheeses, my apologies. Crazy Car Vinyls. And Battinelli for setting up this huge American flag. Just thank you everybody for coming out. I appreciate it. Have a good one.
Thank you.